Welcome mga kamsak. So today we're going to unbox another power tool, which a bare tool, meaning wala siyang ibang kasama kundi ang kanyang power tool lang. Wala siyang charger and wala siyang battery. So my previous vlog, it was impact wrench having two battery and one charger inside. So in Bosch line, meron siyang battery na the same battery lang siya, same battery lang ang kanyang pwedeng gamitin sa lahat ng kanyang mga power tools. So this time I'm going to unbox the impact drill. Yan. So this is GSB18, a brushless impact drill. Okay, so let's start. So inside you will see the power tool itself. Together with it, it is a hook for the belt, and it has a screw bit, Phillips screw bit, a screw and screw bit holder, and some kind of accessories. So this one is interchangeable, guys. So pwede ito siyang palitan. Ito yung kanyang accessories if you're going to change this one. There's color coding. So I have no idea kung anong gamit ng color coding. So together with the box is a leaflets, and lastly the user's manual. So makikita nyo, ito pala ay isang you can see all of the power tools Bosch inline, the blue Bosch. Blue meaning it is for professional. If the power tool color is green, it is for only DIYers. Okay, so this is the difference between the blue power tool and the green one. Green one is for DIYers and the blue one is for professionals. So professional tool, makikita nyo naman dito, as you can see here, there is professional written. Yes, as you can see. So ayan. So this tool you can use as concrete or impact, concrete drill bit. You can use this one for wood drill bits and also metal drill bits. So the specs is it has a maximum diameter of 13 mm. So ang kanyang chuck, it can hold maximum diameter of 13 mm 1/3. So this is made in Malaysia, but it is Robert Bosch power tool from Germany. Yes, Germany originally. Assembled only sa Malaysia. So it has two speed 1 and speed 2. Speed 1, it has a 600 RPM, and the 2 is 1900 RPM. The brand name is the model number is GSB18V-EC. So EC, brushless motor. Okay. So it has a 1 until 20 drill clutch until 20. So it has 3 modes. You can change as a bit, a screw bit for screw, changing screw, and this one for drill bits, second one for drill bits, and the third one is for hammer. So hammer using like mason bit or concrete bit. When you're driving some screw, you have to adjust because this one is very powerful. If you did not adjust the clutch, then you cannot control. You did not control how the way you push the button here. So it will overdrive. So maybe it's going to damage your workpiece, and it will drill it will drive the screw deep, more deep. And by the way, like the other one, the other vlog which I make, the impact wrench, the button is also a variable type. So the more you press, the more the speed will take high. The lesser you press, the slower the speed will run. The bit, or the tool will turn. The slowest will turn. So let's try. I have the battery of the old, the other power tool which I have, which is the impact wrench. So the same 18 volt. All power tools has an 18 volt in line. So same is 13 milliamp hour. So simply just insert and that's it. So this one, you're going to screw this one here. Luckily it's here. So here I will just hand tight only, guys, just for demonstration only purposes. Okay, so there's forward and reverse mode. So to lock it, you have to put it in center, and if you want to change, okay, this is the speed number 1, and this is number 2 speed. Let's try if it has an electronic overdrive lock. See, it blinks. So if you drill it or you make it screw, then the overdrive it, then it has a safety feature, because sometimes if you drill and the bit will stuck, it will twist due to the power tools will exert more torque while spinning, so it will twist without safety. So what will happen, you will get injured your hand, like maybe it will also get injured in the joints here. Most likely this will happen, or even broke your tool, your drill bit. Okay, so if it is running, so in case if it is locked, has a electronic safety feature that the tool will going to stop. And in order to reset this one, as you can see, it is blinking. The light is blinking. In order to reset this one, just to release the button, and then you're on to go. See, and you'll see the variation of the speed while I'm pushing or pulling the trigger or the button. You can hear it and see it, the speed. See? And the more I press, the more the speed will go high. So you can control it, guys. It is a variable speed. Again, this is the GSB18V-EC, a impact drill which has a drill, and it has a 2-speed. It has a brushless motor, so it does not have a brush like the other one. Typically, the old model, it has a brush. Okay, so walang masyadong maintenance for replacing a brush. All you have to do is just to make this lubricate, remove and everything, and clean it if it is having a dust coming inside. So that's it. All in all, it is good for me. You have this one. It is very useful in the households as well. Okay, especially if you are a professional doing some work like woodworks or metal works, this is good for you. Okay, so that's it. And again, thank you for watching my vlog, and we'll see you next time for another unboxing tools, power tools, and tools what we have in the future. Okay guys, thank you very much, and God bless, and hopefully you have a good health every day. See you. Bye bye.